Keeping our cleaning professionals and all of our customers safe is paramount at Executive Maids. We're all about making your home clean and comfy. But there's something crucial you should know. Pests like roaches, ants, mice, rats, and bedbugs are more than just a nuisance. We simply cannot subject our cleaning professionals to these situations because it affects them personally and could impact their other customers too. If our cleaning professional arrives and finds an active pest infestation, we won't be able to clean. And unfortunately, you will be charged for that visit. We're all about cleanliness, but pests are a different story. Here's what to do. Get that pest issue sorted out by a trusted pest control company. Once your home is pest-free, they'll give you a certificate to confirm it. Then give us a call. We'll be delighted to return and make your home shine again. So let's turn your home into the haven you deserve. Call today because we are here to help you.